Hey trader, trading the wrong pair at the wrong time is the reason you lose patience and fall into FOMO. If you trade the wrong pair during the wrong section, you will stuck with low liquidity, wide spread, and painfully slow exit. In this video, I will break down the best pair for each trading section, Asia, London, and New York, and show you how to choose the best trading section to reduce your screen time from a few hours to just 5 minutes a day. Let's dive into it. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. You can trade anytime from anywhere. But here's the truth. You shouldn't trade all day and night. I have been there, glued to the chart wondering, if I keep looking at the chart long enough, maybe I can enter 100% of the signals. But no matter how hardworking I am, staring at my screen won't speed up the process. Then I only found out this. Entering at the right timing gives you the best liquidity, the tightest spread, and the fastest execution. Without it, you will waste time in quiet section where the price barely moves in just a few pips, and your emotions start taking over thinking, when is my trade going to hit my TP? Most traders I mentor have faced this at some point. The frustration during the dead hours. You are looking at the charts, nothing happened, your patience runs out, and you end up forcing trade just to feel productive. You enter at the wrong time, saw nothing happen, and you decided to close the trade. Guess what happened next? The market finally moved to your direction. Right after you close your trade, you are angry, you re-enter at the wrong price, and that's when you blow out your setup with a very big risk and reward ratio. The truth is simple. Market moves when liquidity comes in, where the world's biggest bank and the institution are active. That's the time when supply and demand kick in. And if you know exactly when that will happen, half of your trading stress disappear overnight. You will eliminate FOMO because you already know your trading window. You will stop getting emotional drain because the trade either hit the TP or stop loss very quick. And you can finally move on the next setup immediately. What made it worse was overtrading in slow markets. This is where emotion destroys the trades. You enter at a trade in a slow section, see there is nothing move, and you start doubting your setup. You close early, call it a day, only see the price shoot up right after. Then you are surprised and think that the market moved out of sudden. You don't want to miss the trend, so you force yourself to re-enter at the wrong price. And now guess what? Your stop loss is wider and you got yourself into bad risk and reward. Here where the things started to get messy and even affect their daily job. They pick the pairs without checking which section are active, causing a mismatch with their daily routine. For example, a night shift worker in Asia trying to trade Euro-US dollar early morning after work. That's not sustainable. It will hurt your rest, focus, and mental health. Let me explain what I mean. Imagine that you are spending your full energy focus 8 to 10 hours on your full-time job, and now you still need to push yourself to get into trading that is full of uncertainty, and you are expecting a high payout in short period of time. This will drain out your soul. And back then it's funny, I was thinking that analysis more charts will make me look more professional. The truth is, more charts is equal to more distraction, and more distraction will lead to more bad trades. You don't need to do that. Like Bruce Lee said, I fear no man who has practiced 10,000 kicks at once, but a man who has practiced one kick at 10,000 times. Here I would suggest start with what my mentor Kali Amit called the power of one. One strategy, one section, and one pair. Now let's talk about something that can completely change your trading flow. The trading section. Each section has its own behavior and a pair that moves the most. Once you align your lifestyle with the right section, you will stop forcing the trades and your FOMO will disappear. Let's start with Asia section. I will use the GMT plus X, and this run roughly from 7 AM to 4 PM. The most active pairs here are the Aussie, New Zealand, and Yen, like Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, dollar yen, Aussie yen, or New Zealand yen. Because this is where Australia, New Zealand, and Japan are awake. The banks, exporter, and the hedge fund are moving the money. If you are living in Asia and prefer trading in the morning, this section is perfect. You will get structure, steady price action, and clean technical setup. The Asia section rewards patience and precision. If you like slow and steady markets, not the crazy spike, like very high volatility, this one will fit naturally with your routine. Next, the London section. It starts with around 3 p.m. and runs until midnight. The key pairs here are Euro and GBP cross, like Euro US dollar, GBP dollar, Euro yen, and GBP yen. London is the heart of global Forex. It clears up the more volume than any other financial center in the world. This is where the big move happen, the momentum, breakout, and the trend continuation. If you like volatility and want to see the market move fast, this is your section, perfect for European trader and for Asian trader who don't mind staying a little bit later in the afternoon or evening. Personally, I will find the Tokyo and London overlap to be very powerful window and suitable for my personally, where both regions are active, liquidity spike, and you often get clean setup that reach target level much faster. And finally, the New York section, active roughly around 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. The main mover here are US dollar, gold, oil, or Canada. So like the pair Euro US dollar, GBP dollar, dollar CAD. This section is dominated by US. The news release, think of the NFP, CPI, the interest rate. It's full of high energy, high reward, but you must ready for the full of volatility. If you are working during the day and prefer trading after dinner, this section might suitable you the best. It's ideal for part-timer trader in Asia who want to analyze the chart in the evening and execute within just a few hours. For European trader, this is the window right afternoon, and it lines up perfectly with global liquidity flows. Last but not least, not to forget the section overlap, the golden hours. Now here's the part many traders miss. The overlapping section. The London with New York overlap happen between 8 p.m. and midnight. And this is what we call the golden hours. More than 50% of daily Forex volume flow through this window. This is when both sides of the world are awake. The Euro is closing position, America is opening the new one, and the spread are tight. Execution is fast, and the price move with conviction. But always remember, higher volume also means faster reversal. So use a proper stop losses and avoid oversize your position. I always tell my traders, if you can trade a few hours per day only, focus on the overlap. You will see more setup in 3 hours here than an entire day during the quiet section. Let me give you the step-by-step solution on how I coach my students and help them to pick the right trading section. Step number 1, choose one trading section only that matches with your routine and time zone. Step number 2, trade the pairs linked to those regions where they are active. If you like the slow movement, focus on Asia. Step number 3, use the Forex Market Time Zone Converter on baby pips. It shows you which sections are active and open in your local time. Step number 4, prioritize active section. More liquidity is more volume, and more volume will give you a better execution. Prepare yourself 30 minutes before the section, analyze the chart, plan your entry, and plan your stop loss and TP as well. Step number 5, keep your watch list tight. Start with just one pair, journal it, master the pattern, and just grow from there. So if you want to start improve your trading, stay away from roller coaster emotion and FOMO. You need to start working out of the steps. When you align your pair with the right section and use the converter correctly, you will know exactly when the market is worth of your time in trading. Your spread will be tightened, the slip pads reduced, and the execution improve. You will save your energy avoiding quiet section and focus on just high probability setup. And the most important thing is, you will stop watching the chart all day and finally trade with a peace of mind. That's the thing that we want to get in Forex market. So here's the quick summary. For Asian section, focus on Yen, Aussie, New Zealand. Trade during Tokyo and Sydney hours. For London section, focus on GBP and Europe, the faster and the most liquid. And for New York section at the night time, focus on US dollar as a measure, especially during the news. And not to forget the overlap of London and New York section. This is the best for the day trader and scalper. And always remember to start with use the time zone converter first to check which section are open in your local time. Avoid the dead hours. If the market is quiet, just leave it and focus only on the high volume section. And last but not least, stick to just one pair when you are still starting. Specialize, always be chasing for everything. To trade with peace of mind is not trading the all day long. It's choosing the right pair at the right time. Once you understand the Forex market time zone, you will always know which section are open in your country and when to prepare yourself. I would suggest 15 to 30 minutes before the market open. If this video helped you, hit the subscribe button and join my free Telegram channel to get full education series. The link is just in the description below. I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.